everyone, my name is Daisy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing how to tie a headscarf or cover your face and head with scarf. You guys must be know how much this video is important right now. With pandemic, we have to stay safe and cover our face with face mask, but mask does not cover full face. And if I'm talking about face shield, then it's not available to everyone, and I myself also not comfortable with this. And besides covering face, we also need to cover our head when we are in transport, especially for girls who has long hair. It's not possible for them to wash their hair anytime with shampoo. So I thought I have to make this video for you guys, where I will show you few best ways how you can do it yourself. These 5 ways, 4 works great for women and obviously last one for men. Watch till end of this video. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video.
Actually, I'm sharing 8 different ways, not 5 exactly. First 6 for women and obviously last 2 for men. This one is most easiest one, which you can do within a minute. For this one, you need a long rectangle thicker scarf. Then center the scarf on your forehead. Bring the sides to the nape of your neck. Twist the 2 sections to the end. Pull the twisted section across the top of your head. Tuck in the ends. And final result is untuck twist at your forehead. Begin twisting the sides together. Lay the twist down the center of your head and tuck in the ends. Twist the 2 sections to the bottom. You are gonna twist this part around in the circle. Tuck the end pieces into the bun. So put the scarf at the back up good, and then you gonna bring your hands forward like this and twist. Once you are done twisting all the way to the bottom, you are going to make a bun. You can see I'm using a much thicker scarf. My bun is much thicker at the top of my head here. Tuck the extra ones underneath here. That's the final look. This one is yes a little bit bigger, but I think this is really cool. You really make a statement. It's fashion pretty cozy. It's really pretty cute. This one is specially for men. Take your scarf and fold that to a triangle like this, and then you start rolling tightly. Once you have enough fabric left, turn your scarf and put it on your head like this. Take one end and twisting it. Then tuck the little end and take other end and do same.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If it is helpful, then give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.